Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to enable the audio device, audio sound for Macbook Air and Macbook Pro. This one Macbook Air. My customer they installed Windows 10 but they cannot enable audio sound. See, just click here. Everything's okay. Let's see they were okay or not. Manage. Device manager. Just I am checking. Sound is enabled. See, sound high definition is enabled, but still not working sound. What I have to do? I will see. Just wait. I'll show you. Okay, my dear friends. Now I am installing one driver. See, I have one driver, Macbook sound driver. Macbook sound driver. Double click. Then click yes. Then I have to click next. Accept. File copy. Transferring file. Done. Within just 1 minute. 1 minute. We'll see. Working or not. Oh, magic. If you want to this software, you can contact with me from link.